Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add indicators on the MetaTrader 5 mobile app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so launch the MT5 app and then head on over to your chart. So tap on any instrument. This can be EUR, USD, and open its chart. Now we need to go ahead and access the indicators menu. So they don't make it easy here, but it is located at the top of the chart and it will look like this next to the plus icon. Then I'll say indicators for EUR, USD, and 5. Below that, we've got main chart and F plus. So go ahead and click on that plus icon. Then from here, we can see all the different type of indicators. So we've got Bollinger Bands, envelopes, to oscillators, to volumes, Bill Williams. So go ahead and add your favorite indicators to your chart. So say if I want to do Bollinger Bands, I'm going to click onto that. And then we've got parameters, level, time frames, etc. And then I'm just going to set that to default and click save. So you can see under here I've got Bollinger Band indicators enabled. Now if I want to go ahead and hide that, we can, but I want to go ahead and keep that on. So if I go back here, you can see Bollinger Bands have been added to my chart.